Welcome to Review Rumble. The best Bond Curl Salve is probably one of the most talked about hair treatments in the curly hair community, and for good reason. This stuff promises to repair damaged hair bonds, reduce breakage, and leave your curls feeling stronger and more defined. But does it live up to the hype? In this video, we're diving deep into the Curlsmith Bond Curl Rehab Salve, testing its claims, and seeing if it's worth the investment for your curls. Number 5. Curlsmith Feather Light Protein Cream. This protein cream is a perfect all-in-one styler. It combines the hold of gels with the moisture of creams, making any curl type bouncy and elastic. Balancing protein and moisture is key for strong hair. This cream is supercharged with hemp seed and rice protein. It's a plant-based alternative to keratin. It helps the hair feel stronger and more elastic. Curlsmith blends curl-loving foods with kitchen staples and rare natural ingredients. The products deliver professional results with healthy ingredients. There are no compromises. All products have zero sulfates, silicones, mineral oils, and phthalates. It's also curly girl friendly, 100% vegan and cruelty-free. Curlsmith believes curls shouldn't be complicated. They are on a mission to take the guesswork out. They are here to help you on your curl journey, no matter your curl type. What we like? This cream combines the hold of gels with the moisture of creams. It's supercharged with hemp seed and rice protein, a plant-based alternative to keratin. If you are looking for a product that strengthens and adds elasticity to your curls, you should consider this. What people say. It has a pleasant smell and a nice, creamy texture. It left my hair feeling soft and manageable. My hair felt stronger and healthier after using this product. Number 4. Kitsch Bond Repair Hair Mask. Introducing a weekly treatment designed to bring your hair back to life. This mask is formulated to restore strength and vitality to dry, damaged hair, rebuilding bonds from the inside out. This product uses vegan keratin-like proteins to repair damage. It seals the hair cuticle, protecting and strengthening your hair for long-term health. Infused with Mielle oil, baobab protein, and vitamins, this mask boosts moisture. It conditions instantly, leaving your hair soft, smooth, and easy to manage. This eco-friendly hair care solution comes in a compact, mess-free solid form. It's perfect for travel and good for the planet, with zero single-use plastic. Whether your hair is dry, damaged, or color-treated, this treatment works for all types and textures. It brings back your hair's natural shine and strength. What we like? This hair mask is designed to restore strength and vitality to damaged hair. It uses vegan keratin-like proteins to rebuild bonds and improve hair resilience. If you have dry, damaged hair and want an eco-friendly option, you should consider this. What people say. This Bond Repair Bar is a life changer for my hair. After rinsing the Bond Repair hair mask out at the end of my shower, my hair feels so soft and hydrated and I can barely feel and see my split ends anymore. My hair feels stronger, silky and soft and just way more resilient. Number 3. Curlsmith Super Slip Pre-Wash Primer. This is the Super Slip Pre-Wash Primer from Curlsmith. It's a vegan scalp stimulating treatment designed to protect and moisturize your hair. Use it before washing to get the best results. This primer is a vegan formula, which means it's made without any animal-derived ingredients. It's designed to stimulate your scalp, promoting healthier hair growth. You'll love how it feels. The primer protects your hair during the washing process. It also moisturizes your hair, leaving it soft and manageable. It helps to detangle and reduce breakage. The product comes in a 12 fluid ounces bottle, providing you with plenty of product. A little goes a long way, so it will last for a while. Get ready to transform your hair care routine. Incorporate this into your hair care routine for best results. It will leave your hair feeling refreshed and revitalized. Try it today and see the difference. What we like? This pre-wash primer is designed to stimulate the scalp. It protects and moisturizes the hair. If you are looking for a product that can protect and moisturize your hair, you should consider this. What people say. It has a pleasant smell and a nice texture. My hair feels stronger and healthier. It works very well to repair damaged hair. Number 2. Briogeo Scalp Revival Charcoal Shampoo. Do you suffer from a dry, itchy, or oily scalp? This shampoo is designed to detoxify and hydrate your scalp. It's a sulfate-free scrub that will leave your scalp feeling refreshed. This product uses charcoal and coconut oil to gently exfoliate and cleanse. The formula helps to remove impurities and buildup. It also helps to hydrate the scalp. This shampoo is vegan and cruelty-free, so you can feel good about using it. It's made with natural ingredients and is gentle on your hair and scalp. Try it today and see the difference. The micro-exfoliating action helps to remove dead skin cells. This promotes a healthier scalp environment. It can help to reduce flakiness and irritation. This product is perfect for anyone looking to revitalize their scalp. It's a great way to maintain a healthy scalp and promote healthy hair growth. Give it a try and see the results. What we like. This shampoo is a sulfate-free scalp scrub. It detoxifies and hydrates the scalp. If you have an itchy or oily scalp, you should consider this. What people say. This scalp revival has helped my hair so much. The thickness allows me to be able to work the shampoo in. After conditioning and styling as usual, my hair was soft, my scalp was totally calmed and exfoliated and just felt clean. Number 1. Mielle Organics Honey and Ginger Hair Gel. Introducing a styling gel designed to enhance your curls. This product helps to define and shape your hair, while also reducing unwanted frizz. It provides a natural look with a strong hold. This gel is enriched with aloe vera and babassu oil. These ingredients work together to hydrate and nourish your hair. It's perfect for dry or brittle hair, leaving it feeling soft and healthy. Say goodbye to flyaways and hello to smooth, polished hair. This gel offers strong hold to keep your style in place all day. It helps to control frizz, giving you a sleek and manageable look. For best results, apply a generous amount to damp hair. Distribute it from root to tip. You can style it as desired, either with heat or air dry. It's also great for refreshing your style on the second or third day. This product is made with ingredients that care for your hair. It's designed to nourish, strengthen, and support your hair care routine. It's all about promoting healthy and beautiful hair. What we like. This styling gel enhances curls with a blend of honey and ginger. It provides shape and bounce without stiffness. If you like a product that tames frizz and nourishes your hair, you should consider this. What people say. It has a pleasant smell. It left my hair feeling soft and manageable. It made my curls more defined. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.